ordering a sandwich can be complicated at times. So to make it easy, we have a lesson for you, the expressions that you can use to order your sandwich. So sandwich is a perfect snack or even a meal for some in order to fill your tummy. So when you go to a place that serves sandwich, how do you order for the sandwich that you like? Well, that's what we're gonna learn. We're gonna look at some expressions that would help you to order the sandwich that you like. What's the first thing that you do? You walk into the store that serves sandwiches and the server would ask you, "Hello sir, are you ready to order?" So how do you start? Now the first thing that you mention is the type of sandwich that you would like to eat today. So there are various types of sandwiches that are available. Here are a few examples that I have mentioned. We have roasted chicken, we have all veg. All veg is perfect for the vegetarians. Then we have chicken teriyaki, well, great for the people who love the teriyaki flavor. And we also have meatball sandwich. And there are many more. So the first thing that you decide is the type of sandwich that you would like to have today. Now, what is the second thing that you need to mention? Well, you need to mention the type of bread. Now, before mentioning the type of bread, you can also mention the size of sandwich. So either you would like to eat a 6-inch sandwich today, or you would like to eat a foot-long sandwich. If you are really starving, then probably you can go for a foot-long. And then you mention the type of bread that you would like to have. So here are a few examples. We have Italian, we have wheat, well, for the people who are health conscious. We have honey oat, well, this is my favorite. Then we have herb and cheese, and we also have oregano mix. So these are few examples of the types of bread that's available, but there are many more. Now also, you have an option to either have your sandwich cold, like a cold sandwich, but if you prefer your sandwich to be grilled or toasted or heated, then you need to mention this to the server. So either you can have your sandwich grilled or toasted, or you can have your sandwich heated. So grilled, toasted, well, a toasted sandwich would make your sandwich really nice and crispy, and a heated sandwich will make your sandwich a little warm. But if you don't want it either of these three, then you can have your cold sandwich that you would enjoy. Now another word that you can use instead of using the word heated is microwaved. I would like my sandwich to be microwaved. So which means that you would like it to be a little warm. Okay? So you go for the type of sandwich, then we move on to the type of bread, and then it's time to add ingredients to your sandwich. So these days you can add a lot of ingredients to your sandwich. there are certain things that you would not like. So please mention, do not add so and so things. Okay, so the kind of ingredients that are available that can be added to your sandwich are cheese. Okay, for the people who don't care about their weight, then yes, go for a nice cheesy sandwich. Then you can add tomatoes to your sandwich, onions, jalapenos. Now if you look at the word here, many people mispronounce it. Many people end up pronouncing it as jalapenos or jalapenos, but the correct pronunciation is jalapenos. Okay, now jalapenos are green peppers. We also have red peppers, which is really spicy, but the green pepper, the green jalapenos are the most common ones, which is served at a sandwich place. And then we have black olives. Tastes not that great, but is pretty healthy. We have mushroom. For the people who love mushroom, they can add mushroom to their sandwich. And then we have pickles. Okay, so these are the ingredients that you can add to your sandwich. But as I said, that if there are certain ingredients that you would not like the server to add to your sandwich, then please mention that. Probably you're allergic, probably you don't like the smell of a certain ingredient, or in general you just don't like that thing. So you would say, do not add so and so things. Okay, and then the last thing that I have for you is adding some flavor to your sandwich. So sauces can be added to your sandwich, so that's when you get the real taste of the sandwich. There are various types of sauces available. Here are some examples for you. We have mayonnaise, a nice white mayonnaise. Then we have sweet onion. Well, sweet onion makes your sandwich a little sugary. Then we have honey mustard. Again, that's my favorite. So if you are a lover of mustard sauce or maybe a little sweetened mustard sauce, then you can go for honey mustard. Then we have Southwest, and we also have barbecue. Now barbecue can be either spelled with Q or it can also be spelled with C. Okay, so these are the types of sauces that you can add to your sandwich. Okay, so now let's have a look at the way you will order for your sandwich. Before we go ahead, make sure that you decide the type of sandwich and the ingredients that you want to have before going to the counter. So the ordering experience is a little less stressful for you. So let's go about with the phrases that you would use to order. I would like to have a roasted chicken. So you're gonna say, I would like to have and then you choose the type of bread. So I would like to have a roasted chicken on an Italian bread. So you can also mention the size. So you can also say that I would like to have a roasted chicken on a 6-inch Italian bread. And the ingredients that I would like to add to my sandwich are some cheese, tomatoes, onions, lots of jalapenos. Okay, now if you want to add something extra to your sandwich, then please do mention that to the server. Some black olives and lots of mushroom. Okay, and then to add some flavor to my sandwich, I would like to add some mayonnaise and some honey mustard. Okay, let's go about ordering a nice sandwich for you today. I would like to have a chicken teriyaki on a 6-inch honey oat bread. I would like my bread to be toasted. And the ingredients that I would like to add today are some onions, jalapenos, lots of black olives. And could you also please add some mayonnaise and honey mustard to my sandwich? And there you go, your sandwich is ready. So now it's time to pay for your sandwich. So you go to the cash counter and pay for your sandwich by cash or by card. And then the last thing that you do is thank your server. So you'll say that thank you for my sandwich. Okay? So the next time you have to order for a sandwich, I'm sure you won't be confused. Your experience would not be stressful. Go ahead and use these expressions and let me know how your sandwich was. I'll be back with a new lesson soon. Till then, you take care.